How to fix Grindr something went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can fix the issue if it shows something went wrong on your Grindr. So let's start. The first thing that you can do is try switching between your internet providers. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data and then vice versa in case you are connected to data. After that, try opening the app once again and see if the issue has gone. Then after, the second method that you can do is try clearing the data of the app. For that, simply locate the Grindr app on your device, tap and hold it for a few seconds. Then after, tap on this eye icon. As you enter app information, scroll below and then go to storage. Now you will find this clear data option on the bottom left. Tap on it and then clear all the data. After that, open the app once again and try using it. It might have fixed the issue. If you are still having problem after doing all these steps, then you can try reinstalling the Grindr app. For that, you can uninstall the application and then head to your store and then download it again. Even after doing all these steps, if it still shows the problem, then there might be some issue with the server itself. For that, you can try contacting to the Grindr moderators, or you can simply wait it out for them to fix it. So in these ways, you can fix the problem if it shows something went wrong on Grindr. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.